Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to show you a product from VEVOR that they sent me. This is a 16-quart commercial deep fryer. It's a propane deep fryer, so this is to be used outside. You've seen me do their dual deep fryer for the house, the electric one. Well, this is a propane one that we can use outside where I do like to cook, but I haven't been out there lately because has been cold. And it's a little cold to be doing some deep frying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this unboxed. I'm going to get it put together, and I'm not going to make you watch me put it together, but I will show you the features after I get it put together. If you want to see how this thing is put together, I'm actually going to do a how to put it together video over at my other channel with Elizabeth called What We Thought. So if you want to see how it's put together, come on over to at What We Thought, and you can see how it's assembled. So anyway, let me get this thing assembled and I'll show you the features it has. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is show you how well this is packaged. I've received products from VEVOR before, and they always have them really well packaged. I've never had an issue with anything being damaged in shipping. So there's the lid. I'll take out all the pieces. Got the baskets. More packing material, and here's the tanks for the deep fryer, and these are actually 2-gallon tanks, so 2 8-quart tanks. As you can see in here, there's the burners. All right, there it is put together, the VEVOR 16-quart dual tank deep fryer propane. It's got the hanger on the back. You got 2 different levels. Each side is each side is 2 gallons or 8 quarts, 16 total. One other thing I needed to show you was these shelves, side shelves, both side shelves do fold down. Okay, so if you need to have this up against something else, those do fold down. And I got to tell you, if you want to get one of these before I do a cook, I will leave a link down below where you can get a hold of one of these in case you don't want to wait to see me cook on it. So anyway, I think this is going to be really great. This is actually an outside deep fryer. So, when I make a mess in the kitchen, I've got to really clean up that countertop. But outside, I'll have this probably sitting over my rocks. And yeah, let's close this out, and hopefully you'll come back and see what all I cook in here. All right, there you go. The VEVOR dual tank propane deep fryer. And it's a 16-quart. I'm not doing a cook today, but stay tuned. I'm going to do some cooks. Hopefully it'll warm up enough so I can go outside and actually do some cooks on this thing. I just wanted to introduce you and ask you, what do you want to see me use this for? First cooks or whatever you think you'd like to see. All suggestions are welcome. I already have quite a few ideas on what I want to do with this thing. All right, so here it is outside. I don't have it in my rocks yet because I've been thinking about this deep fryer, and I know a lot of people say, oh, I can't eat deep fried food. Well, when you give suggestions on what you want me to cook, what if we put water in here and boiled some stuff, or made a chili or a stew or something in here? I mean, basically it's just for outside, put some heat to it. Put some stew meat in there. Anyway, so when you give me suggestions, think a little bit outside the box. That's, I'm going to. So yeah, I think that this is going to be a lot of fun. I think you're going to see me do some cooks on here that aren't normally for a deep fryer. But, hey, deep frying, definitely into that. And if you get one of these, or if you like to deep fry, advantage of having an outdoor one, obviously, is if you're deep frying fish, you don't get the fishy smell in your house, or you just don't get the smell of a deep fryer of the oil frying in your house. So, yeah, I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. I don't know, the weather's been pretty good lately. It's a little breezy today, so I wish this thing came with a cover. So I'm going to have to figure out something to keep these from blowing off when it gets really windy. All right. So there it is, sitting outside in the backyard. It's over here in the Blackstone area, but I think it fits. So there you go. I took my Pit Boss Lexington 500 cover
and it actually fits on there pretty good. So I'm going to leave this on there a little while. The Lexington's fine without it for now, and that'll keep those lids from flying off when it gets windy here, and also if the weather ever does change and get snowy, that'll help protect it. I'll tell you what, this weather is crazy. The other day when I put this together in the garage, it was freezing out here. Today it's like in the 60s, and it's got a little breeze going, so I do have to protect it from the wind. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you come back. I hope you leave me some good suggestions. See what I cook on this. There's going to be multiple cooks, I'm sure. So, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.